Hello students, in this session we will see how to prepare purchase return book and how to prepare ledger from purchase return book and sales return book. In our previous session we have discussed how to prepare purchase book and sales book. Now the format will be a little bit same, okay? So let us see. You can read this theory part, but I'm going to go directly to the illustration. Now the question is asking us to prepare purchase return book as well as ledger. Okay, no need to prepare trial balance. Now let us see. Our business name is Shampoo and Sons, that is situated in UP. Then we have CGST at 6%, SGST at 6%. That means IGST will be 12%. Now let us see the first transaction. On May 2nd, return goods to Subhash Chandra of Lucknow, UP for 15,000. Means earlier we purchased goods from Subhash Chandra and now we are returning goods for rupees 15,000. So let us prepare purchase return book. Now we have to write, we wrote on May to Subhash Chandra, Lucknow, UP. Then goods was worth rupees 15,000. Then we have to add CGST and SGST at 6% each. So total we have 16,800. So in purchase returns account we have 15,000. Then input CGST 900, input SGST, because our business and the supplier, they are in the same state. Okay, you just have to remember the format. In accountancy it is very important to by heart the formats of different types of accounts that we are preparing. Okay, journal, cash book, petty cash book, subsidiary books, and all those things. In subsequent chapters also you will have lots of accounts or books that you have to by heart their formats. So in total amount account amount column we have 16,800. Now the next transaction took place was on May 10. Goods returned to Oswal Brothers, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, being not according to sample, and the value of those returned goods is 50,000. Now this supplier is in Jharkhand, so we will write Oswal Brothers, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Goods was rupees 50,000, and since it is in another state we have to provide IGST at 12%, and 12% of 50,000 is 6,000. So in purchase returns column we have 50,000, and in input IGST we have 6,000. Then our next transaction is allowance claimed from Shri Ram and Sons, Patna, Bihar, on account of mistake in the invoice. Means while purchasing goods from them they made some mistake in invoice, and now we are asking for allowance worth rupees 20,000. So for that we are going to note it down. May 20, Shri Ram and Sons, Patna, Bihar. The allowance that we asked is worth rupees 20,000. Then since they are from Patna, Bihar, that means they are situated in another state, so there will be IGST at 12%. So 12% of 20,000 is 2,400. So in purchase return we have 20,000, then input IGST we have 2,400. Now since we don't have any further transactions, so we are going to find our total on May 31st, total of all the 5 columns. Now let us see how we are supposed to post ledger accounts from purchase return. See, in here we have 3 parties, so same, we will prepare 3 parties ledger accounts. I'm going to minimize it. Okay, this one is perfect. Subhash Chandra, then Oswal Brothers, and last Shri Ram Sons. Then same in case of purchase book and sales book, we have 4 important columns: purchase return, input CGST, input SGST, and input IGST. So for those also we will prepare 4 ledger columns. Okay, now first let us see Subhash Chandra, Lucknow, UPs. We have 15,000. So in here Subhash Chandra column we will write purchase return. Remember, sales book and purchase return books rules will be same. If the party's name is in debit, so in ledger accounts also we will write in debit. Okay, so first amount we have in purchase return column, so we will write to purchase return account 15,000. Then second amount we have in input CGST column, so we will write to input CGST 900. Then third amount we have in input SGST, so we will write in input SGST, we will write in debit side to input SGST 900. Finish. Then next party we have Oswal Brothers, so in Oswal Brothers we will write first amount we have in purchase returns column, so we will write to purchase returns account 50,000. Then next amount we have in input IGST 6,000, so we will write to purchase to input IGST account 6,000. Similar way, next we have Shriram and Sons, so we will write in Shriram and Sons column, first amount is appearing in purchase return column 20,000, so we will write in here to purchases return account 20,000. Then next amount is appearing in the input IGST column, that is 2,400, so we will write to input IGST account 2,400. Finish. Then next in purchase return column, okay, earlier we used to, in our previous session we have seen, we used to prepare this purchase return or purchase or sales column at last, but in this case you can do it starting as well. So first let us see purchase returns column. Okay, now purchase return column is here, ledger is here, then altogether we have 85,000, and we found out that total in May 31st. So what we will do is that on credit side, in credit side what we will do is that we will write May 31st by sundries as per purchase return book 85,000. Okay, since this column we can divide, this part is debit, this side is credit, so purchase return column is in credit, so we will write in credit side to buy sundries as per purchase return book. In a similar way for input CGST also we have total of 900, so in input CGST we have May to buy Subhash Chandra 900. Then in input SGST we have 900 only related with Subhash Chandra. Okay, so for that also we will write by Subhash Chandra 900. Then next at the last column, input IGST, first amount is appearing 6,000 related with Oswald Brothers, so we will write by Oswald Brothers 6,000, and the next amount is appearing 2,400 related with Shriram and Sons, so in ledger we will write by Shriram and Sons 2,400. Okay, now this is how you are supposed to prepare purchase return book and ledger from purchase return book. Okay, the rules for posting debit and credit side is same as sales book. So when we will prepare sales return book, that time the rule will be same as purchase book. Okay, now I have already shown you how to prepare ledger from purchase return book. Now this one is related with sales return book. Okay, now first let us prepare sales return book. Here is the sales return book. Now let us see the transactions. On June 3rd, goods returned by Sitaram Kolkata 80,000. These goods were sold to him at 15% of trade discount. Now our business is in Kolkata and the person who sent us goods is also in Kolkata. That means there is CGST and SGST. Now let us see. Here Sitaram Kolkata 80,000. Then we have to deduct trade discount also. Since they have mentioned then there was discount of 15%, so 15% is 12,000, we got 68,000. Then we have to add CGST and SGST of rupees at the rate of 9% each, so we have 80,240. Now I'm not going into details about these columns because as we have already know what we are supposed to write in those columns. Okay, then on June 12th, defective goods was returned by Hind Oil Company, Hyderabad. It is situated in Telangana district for 30,000. So we will write Hind Oil Hyderabad 30,000. Since they haven't mentioned anything about discount, so we are directly going to add IGST at the rate of 18%. Okay, so we got 35,400. Then our next transaction is allowances claimed by Gujarat Gas Company. Means a party named Gujarat Gas Company, they have asked about allowances of rupees 20,000. So we will write Gujarat Gas Company Hyderabad 20,000. Then IGST we have 18%, 3,600. Now this is sales return book. Now let us see ledger accounts. Since we have three parties, we will prepare three ledger accounts. Sitaram, Hind Oil Company and Gujarat Gas Company. Now since these rules are same as ledger, same as purchase book, what we will do is that we will divide this sales return book into two parts. Debit side, that is Sitaram is appearing in debit side, so in ledger we will write in the credit side. Okay, Sitaram. Now first amount is appearing in sales return column, so in Sitaram we will write by sales return account 68,000. Then next amount is appearing in CGST and SGST, so similar way we will write by output CGST, by output SGST 6,120 each. Then our next party is Hind Oil Company Hyderabad, so first amount is appearing in sales return account column, so in Hind Oil we will write by sales by sales return account 30,000. Then next amount is appearing in output IGST, so we will write by output IGST account 5,400. Then our last party is Gujarat Gas Company, and their first amount is appearing in sales return, so we will write by sales return account 20,000. Then the next amount is appearing in output IGST column, so we will write by output IGST 3,600. Then now next debit side finished. Now let us concentrate on the credit side. We have work with only these 4 columns. So first let us see sales return account. So we have prepared sales return account, and since we are going to write all the total, that is 1,18,000 on June 30, we will write on the debit side to sundries as per sales return book 1,18,000. Okay, now the next column is output CGST, and first amount is appearing related with Sitaram Kolkata 6,120. So on the debit side we will write to Sitaram 6,120. Then we don't have any other amount in output CGST column. Now next is output SGST, only one value, so we will write in here to Sitaram 6,120. Usually output CGST and SGST columns are quite same. Then the third one we have IGST of 5,400 related with Hind Oil. So in output IGST column we will write first to Hind Oil Company 5,400, and in a similar manner the next amount is 3,600, so we will write 3,600 by to Gujarat Gas Company. Okay, now this is very easy. I hope it is very clear to you, and if you still have doubts then you can ask me. Thank you.